What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and I will show you how to make a baby DIY toy. First, number one, you'll get like this. Second, you get a pin. You bend it like this, and then you open the cover. Then you put this top right here, and you put it in here, and then you back it cover, and cover it. Okay, like this. You close it now on this. Okay, guys, and then you put headbands. But the only worth of these color headbands. I have two reds, a green, a purple, guys. Then, guys, you put it inside this hole. And then you okay. Okay, guys. I'm watching TV and I had to do it for a second. Boom! A baby toy. I have a cousin baby, and he can play with this. This looks pretty cool, DIY. Hey guys, this is the DIY you can make for a baby. If you have a baby, you better subscribe, guys, or else I better turn you into a baby. And this is a baby toy. If Tita Chat is watching, and then she make this or buy this jib. This is a homemade toy for babies, and when there's COVID-19 or you cannot go anywhere, you just make like this. Okay, guys, see you guys on my next vid.